Here we are at Simon Pierce glass blowing and restaurant. This amazing waterfall, frozen and just incredible looking. Just off our window here, off our table. And it's the Ottauquechee River in Quechee, Vermont. And this is where beautiful old covered bridge, badly damaged by Hurricane Irene. They say another 2 years to get it fixed. The bridge is completely out. It's just, I guess they saved pretty much just the roof of it, and they're rebuilding the whole thing. I just can never get enough of watching this water just pummeling through all that frozen snow and levels of bubbles and ice floating. Just beautiful. Love Vermont.
Do you like it?
Really good.